Yes,
Hi, sir.
Jagdish. Hi.
Uh, my name is Jagati, and I'm a student at Campus Law Center. Currently, I'm in my second year, and I have also been pastly associated with uh, NCPDP as their Javadavidi Fellow, which I had discontinued it this month due to some reasons. However, I am continuing to work for access to legal aid for persons with disability, and that will be our topic of discussion today. And
Yeah.
I would be really
First of all,
grateful.
I am so much fortunate about the same that you have given me that opportunity to tell you about these kind of laws which you want to ask about. And thank you so much, Jagati. And yes, we can go ahead.
It's truly my pleasure, sir. In fact, it is an opportunity for me to hear your views today. So firstly, I would like to start with Nyayapurti and what work you have been doing towards access to justice for the vulnerable groups and how you have been taking forward the initiative of spreading awareness about laws and rights.
Basically, if I tell you about the Naipurti. So Naipurti I have started in last September, last year. So न्यायपूर्ति में क्या है अगर आप देखेंगे नाम से आपको पता चलता है न्याय की पूर्ति. We're working on basically spreading legal knowledge to people who are vulnerable and who don't know about the law as much we know in a kind of scenario. And we used to go to slum areas and educate these people because आजकल क्या है, if you see the system is very broad in nature and these people are lagging in a some scenario कि they don't know about their laws, right? Even if you take it as a whole, in total, they don't know what the right have with basically with the police and उनके क्या फंडामेंटल राइट्स है खुद के उन लोगों के, उनको कुछ नहीं पता होता, राइट? दे डोंट नो अबाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, अबाउट संविधान. दे डोंट नो अबाउट कि क्या स्टैट्यूट्स हैं हमारे, क्या लॉज हैं हमारे. सो आई हैव टेकन दैट थिंग इन माई माइंड कि ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए ताकि जो ये वर्नेबल ग्रुप्स हैं, जो ये लोग हैं जो जिनको पता नहीं होता कुछ भी, उन सब से उनके पास एक नॉलेज पहुंचे ताकि उनके माइंड में भी आए कि यार हमारे साथ अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है सिस्टम के अंदर या कल को हमारे खिलाफ कोई गलत कर रहा है, हमारे फंडामेंटल राइट्स के अगेंस्ट कोई जा रहा है, तो वो उसका एक लीगली और एक पर्टिकुलर पाथ से एक्शन ले सके, राइट? एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीपल, basically they have that much knowledge also about the constitution also. Basically if I tell you in a better manner, they they are people like they respect constitution. You will see if you go to slum areas, they basically हमारे यहाँ पर मंदिर होते हैं नॉर्मली, वी यूज्ड टू गो टू नॉर्मल टेम्पल्स एंड ऑल. उन्होंने अलग से बी आर अम्बेडकर की मूर्ति लगाई होती है, दे आर प्रेजिंग बी आर अम्बेडकर की मूर्ति. ऐसे बहुत से स्लम्स में आई हैव सीन कि उन्होंने अलग से एक स्टैचू बना रखा है भीमराव अम्बेडकर जी का और उनको वो प्रेज कर रहे हैं. सो
Yes.
दे रिस्पेक्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मॉरली एंड दे नो कि बेसिकली जो राइट्स हैं उनके, तो बेसिकली दे बिलोंग टू बैकवर्ड कास्ट एंड ओबीसीज. दे नो कि यार हमें जो राइट्स एंड प्रिविलेजेस अभी मिल रहे हैं जी भीमराव अम्बेडकर जी है उनके थ्रू मिले हैं. एंड बेसिकली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट कोई उनको उन्हीं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर लॉज नहीं बताता और वो लैक करते हैं उस चीज को लेकर. एंड वो चीज को ठीक करने के लिए आई हैव created a NGO, a group you can say. There are a lot of law students which are working with me since last 1 year, and we are providing such kind of legal education to people and to school students, to college students, and people who are living in villages, slums. तो इस चीज को देखते हुए हम उस चीज को आगे लेके जा रहे हैं कि ताकि कोई भी इंसान लैग ना करे इस चीज को लेकर और उनको लीगली नॉलेजेबल बने वो, और अपने राइट्स उनको पता हो कि उनके राइट्स क्या क्या हैं, और अगर उनके अगेंस्ट कोई कुछ होता है तो उनके पास लीगल रेमेडी हो, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडी.
Thank you so much for sharing that, sir. I completely get you because in past 7 months, when I was associated with NCBDP, I came across a lot of issues about the lack of knowledge, the right
Yeah.
knowledge basically. Now vaguely people know कि हाँ हमारा right है, हाँ संविधान है जो हमारी सुरक्षा करने के लिए वहाँ है, मतलब एग्जिस्टेंस में है. बट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर अनअवेयर अबाउट द प्रोसीजर्स एंड द
राइट,
बेसिक्स.
राइट,
Where to go, whom to reach out to, what are the sections, what are the clauses, nothing. And of
करेक्ट.
course, lawyer जितना तो कोई भी नहीं पढ़ता है, because again we are learned in
Yeah,
our profession, so we have the in-depth knowledge, but the basic idea to prevent the exploitation of people by the hands of the system, by the hands of the lawyers. uh, I mean, we are aware about the
yeah.
issues that prevail in the profession. Then the handles the whole institution or institutional actors. So I came across people that were exploited by the system, by the people. So of course they should be equipped with the right knowledge so that they can at least see if their issues are being addressed or not.
Correct.
Moving on, sir. Your initiative, I really appreciate. I also came across pictures of the events and camps that you have done in past 1 year, and that's what encouraged me to reach out to you, because you would be the right person to tell कि लोगों की क्या नॉलेज है क्या नहीं है. तो मुझे जानना है कि कोई पर्टिकुलर इंस्पिरेशन था जिसने आपको कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट या जिसने आपको इनकरेज किया हो कि हाँ अब नाउ इज द टाइम, now is the breakthrough moment that has pushed me towards working for access justice.
Actually, I've seen a lot of things. Basically, I met a lot of people when I started it. So I have some of my mentors, some of our judges in district courts, some are judges in Delhi High Court. I would not take names of them, but they have guided me in a scenario that I've shared this to them कि मैं ऐसे कुछ start कर रहा हूँ. And thoroughly, if you ask me about the story, why I started it, so I have seen people who are pointing out the system right out. कि जैसे example, when I used to मतलब come back home by the court or something like this, so I have seen that people are pointing out the system. Basically, how जब जैसे मैं कभी रिक्शे से आ रहा हूँ, सो वन ऑफ द ड्राइवर्स, बेसिकली जो रिक्शा चालक होते हैं, दे आर लाइक, सर आप तो वकील हो, तो हमारे यहाँ तो कुछ होता नहीं है, कोई कुछ करता नहीं है, हमारे यहाँ ये होता है, वो होता है, फलाना होता है. तो आई दे पॉइंट आउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी कि सर हमें तो कोई देखता ही नहीं कुछ, हम तो गरीब हैं, हमारे तो ये है. दे आर पॉइंटिंग आउट थिंग्स आउट ऑफ देम, एंड दे आर डिग्रेडिंग देमसेल्फ ओनली कि भैया हम ऐसे हैं तो हमारे साथ इसलिए नहीं होता, या हम वैसे हैं, हमारे लिए इसलिए नहीं होता. तो आई यूजली से कि यार होगा कैसे अगर आप मुझे पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हो ये चीज़ को. अगर आप जो पर्टिकुलर अथॉरिटी है, जैसे एग्जांपल, इफ देर इज अ सीवेज प्रॉब्लम, राइट, if you don't point out to MCD about the same or a MLA about the same of your area, so how things will get better, right? So they are pointing out, they don't want to do anything, they don't know where to go, they don't know where to approach, they know that what is happening with them, right, what wrong is happening with them, but they are not even, they don't know about the same कि कैसे जाना है, like you said procedure, right. तुमको प्रोसीजर नहीं पता. And I have heard a lot of things from a lot of people out there. रिक्शा वाले हो गए आपके, and बहुत सारे लोग हो गए. They degrade themselves and they say हमारे लिए तो कोई कुछ बना ही नहीं, हमारे लिए तो कानून है ही नहीं, right. You have heard in the constitution equality before law, right. So even equality before law says कि यार कानून सबके लिए है, right. चाहे वो प्रधानमंत्री हो, चाहे वो कोई रिक्शा चालक हो, सबके लिए कानून एक है. हर एक इंसान अपनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडी ले सकता है, आर्टिकल 32 में जा सकता है, राइट. अपने एक तरह से कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जो भी चीज़ें लिखी है, लाइक राइट टू हैव बेसिकली क्वालिटी ऑफ एयर, वाटर, एवरीथिंग, राइट, दे कैन डिमांड द सेम, बट दे डोंट नो अबाउट द अथॉरिटी वेयर टू गो. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड दिस कि लोगों को नॉलेज तो मिले कि कैसे जाना है. इट्स नॉट ऑल अबाउट कि यार हर चीज़ एडवोकेट ही करेगा. दे हैव टू बी दैट मच नॉलेजेबल कि छोटा मोटा जो काम है वो खुद कर सके, राइट. दे गेट अ लिटिल नॉलेज आउट ऑफ दैट. बट देखो, वकीलों का काम तो वकील ही कर सकते हैं, बट
जी.
जो छोटी मोटी चीजें हैं जो वो खुद कर सकते हैं, जिसमें वो अपने आप को भी कोसते हैं और दूसरे को भी कोसते हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर स्टेप नहीं लेते. सो दैट्स आई स्टार्टेड.
True. मैंने भी काफी लॉयर्स, लीगल एड लॉयर से बात करी है, टू बी स्पेसिफिक, बिकॉज द रिसर्च टॉपिक इज अराउंड दैट। तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ नॉलेज देयर आर टाइम्स कि हमें बहुत डिफिकल्टी होती है क्लाइंट को एक्सप्लेन करने में कि क्या सिचुएशन है क्या नहीं है, और उनको कभी कभी लगता है कि इफ वी आर हैविंग अ कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द ऑपोजिट काउंसिल, तो हमने कोल्यूड कर लिया है और हम लोग मिल गए हैं साथ में, like a nexus is created against them, which is not the fact, because most of the
Yeah,
time you have to interact with the opposite counsel to, as
correct.
as per my knowledge, I'm still a beginner, but you need to do that for the smoother process. तो उनको ये भी बहुत फील होता है, and that is because of the
And
lack.
that's a wrong thing they are thinking of,
Yeah,
because a legal aid lawyer doesn't have that much time to interact with other opposite party or opposite lawyer. They are getting
true.
money from the government, right? They are getting a panel, they are getting their that much amount from the government. Why they are getting into touch with other opposite party or other opposite lawyer? This is a very lame thing and very
And
kind of
yeah,
yeah. So it's not a good thing in front of a legal
yeah,
fraternity you are putting out. These people are putting out basically.
yeah.
So,
So
yeah,
that's the issue. Like the struggle is on both the ends. It's just that one
yeah,
end is hurt more,
correct,
because they are the vulnerable ones. So I think अगर उन्हें better equip कर देंगे knowledge के साथ, तो वो ज़्यादा समझ पाएंगे complexities को.
correct.
That so legal knowledge also helps there, not just outside the courts, like for people to come forward and reach to the courts, but also to navigate through the courts. Uh,
Basically, what I think it's all about the mindset,
yes, true.
how you think. Because one of my client, if I tell you, there was a client Shishpal who came to me from legal aid, right? One of my seniors working in legal aid. So if I tell you example, he has 90% of disability,
Okay,
right? And he can't even he has like he's blind, 90%
okay,
90% blind. He's a
okay,
stenographer in
okay,
government. There was a, I think so, in Ministry of Finance, I think so. He's
okay,
a not in Ministry of Finance, there is some ministry he's working off. So he's like fighting the case from since last 3 years in High
okay,
Court.
okay.
So it's all about the mindset. If you know the law, if you want to fight for your justice, for your basically for your right, तो you will do that. ठीक है, आप कैसे भी हो, आपके साथ कैसा भी है, देयर इज वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड, ही लिव्स इन छत्तीसगढ़. ही इज 90 more than 95% blind, and
Okay,
he is running a business. They are two brothers. One is like they both are blind. One is
okay,
80% blind, one is 90% blind. 90, he's my school friend though, but I'm telling you in a proud moment. I was there in Raipur last week. एंड आई वाज
okay,
लाइक, जब वो स्कूल में था तो इट डिडंट दैट मतलब उसको तब प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी ब्लाइंडनेस की.
okay.
बट इट वाज
Yeah,
जेनेटिक
okay.
प्रॉब्लम. ही हैज मतलब उस टाइम पे उसको 40% था,
So
राइट,
it
बट
prob
किसी को पता नहीं था. नो
okay,
वन नोज कि यार ही हैज दैट प्रॉब्लम, एंड कभी पता भी नहीं चला किसी को. व्हेन आई मेट हिम आफ्टर 10 years, राइट. सो उसने बस व्हेन आई मेट हिम फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, तो उसने मुझे बताया दैट आई एम हैविंग 90% ऑफ ब्लाइंडनेस,
okay.
and he is doing everything.
Of
Everything
course.
he's doing. Everything. He's like he has done a voiceover thing in his iPhone. He's
Yeah,
working from that, like टच करके उसको सारा साउंड पता चल जाता है. He is connecting with every businessman. He is like basically देखो यार, it's all about mindset. You can't say that you have that disability or you are underprivileged, you don't know the law, or else you don't have money. It's all about the mindset. There are a lot of things in the system you can opt for. It's on you if you want to opt. That's
true.
why I tell basically मुझे इतना proud हुआ कि यार he is 95% blind, and he is doing everything, and he is earning in crores.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, he is earning in crores, and he is upgrading his business. उसके father mother is normal, ठीक है.
Okay,
बट कभी भी उसको कभी फील नहीं होता. आई आज हिम पर्सनली दो, देखो, बिकॉज आई एम अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ हिम. तो आई आज हिम, यार देख कि देखो कभी ऐसे लगता नहीं है ऋषभ, हिज नेम इज ऋषभ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग, बट इट्स ओके, इट्स लाइक आई कैन टेल. हाँ, सो हिज नेम इज ऋषभ एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम, इन कहा कि यार ऋषभ देखो मतलब यू डोंट लाइक, देखो ऐसा लगता नहीं कि तू मुझे पहचान पा रहा है कि आई वाज योर फ्रेंड एंड ऑल, वी मेट आफ्टर 10 years बिकॉज वी वर टॉकिंग ऑन कॉल, वी आर हैविंग अ चैट ऑन कॉल एंड लाइक, एंड दैट टाइम ही आल्सो टोल्ड मी यार थोड़ा ना मुझे मैसेज मत भेजा कर, मुझे वॉइस नोट भेज दिया कर। ठीक है,
Okay,
तो
yeah,
आई वॉइस नोट क्यों भेजो, कहता है थोड़ा ना मुझे आई में इशू है, थोड़ा ना मुझे ब्लाइंडनेस का इशू हो गया है, थोड़ा मुझे दिखना बंद हो गया है। ओके यार ऋषभ, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। सो वी वर टॉकिंग ऑन वॉइस नोट एंड देन वी मेट आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन छत्तीसगढ़, एंड ही वाज लाइक ही वाज डूइंग एवरीथिंग and he was earning in crores and I was proud that he is doing that much, even getting to know, and he told me that it's all about mindset। अगर
yeah,
मैं सोचूंगा कि यार मैं नहीं देख सकता तो मेरे
yeah,
से कुछ नहीं होगा, और मैं सोचूंगा मैं सब कुछ देख सकता हूँ तो मैं हर चीज कर सकता हूँ। मुझे आदत हो गई इस चीज की, और मैं
yeah,
परेशान होकर नहीं रह सकता कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। इट्स ऑल
yeah,
अबाउट दिस।
true.
या
Again, that shift in mindset and knowledge, right? Knowledge is
करेक्ट।
something that is needed, and as us, as people who are more informed than the others, it's on us to make sure that the
करेक्ट।
knowledge goes where it belongs.
या
So the next question is about the legal frameworks. Now, yesterday, I was attending an event where HMJ Pratik Jalani came, and they spoke about disability and the shift in the disability discourse and the law, and how law is more vigilant and more uh, it's better for persons with disability than it was during the time India was partitioned. Uh,
या
I mean, India got independent. So I want to know currently our legal framework, which is the Legal Service Authority Acts for Legal Aid and First Right of Persons with Disability Act 2016. And now they are very great two frameworks that, for particularly RPWD, it's based on biopsychosocial model, which has changed
या
from charity model
या
entirely, and it is one of the greatest frameworks, but there are issues with the implementation of these frameworks.
या
And I want to know where are we lacking and what do you think can be a solution for better access to people or over the rights that are given in these frameworks.
बेसिकली इफ आई टेल यू इन अ सिंपल मैनर, तो अगर आप देखोगे ना इसके अंदर, व्हाट आई टेल लाइक बेसिकली इट्स ऑन माइंडसेट टू, एंड द थिंग्स आर, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, it's not all the part of the legal fraternity or legal framework, it's a part of the government, it's a part of parliament, right, to make such kind of you can say facilities for these people. Even I have seen a lot of things happen in last few years though. If you see that in courts, even there are many, even in high court, if you see, there are washrooms, there's a separate washrooms for them, there's a rampage. If you see the if you have gone to high court, there's a separate rampage for the people, right? There are basically lifts are normal, but there's a different rampage also. They are braille, they have used braille system for people who can't see, right? And there are many things which are they are doing, even they are putting some educators also which help them out there, and even staff also, if someone is very basically they're very even old age, right? So they have a separate staff for them, राइट। वो स्टाफ आएगा, आपको बाहर तक आएगा आपके साथ, और आपको बाहर से अंदर लेके आएगा। एंड इवन इफ यू सी दैट, आई सी दैट इवन द सीनियर सिटीजन आर ऑल्सो द सेम, also in the same category, right? Because if a person is old in age, he can do things in a perfect manner as he was in a young age, right? So there is something like you can, if you can say that कि आजकल क्या हो रहा है, there is a different day for senior citizens in high court, राइट, कि उस दिन खाली सीनियर सिटीजन के ही मैटर आएंगे। करेक्ट। सो व्हाट वी कैन डू कि अलग से हम एक डे रख सकते हैं फॉर द पीपल ऑफ दिस कैटेगरी, कि अलग से उनके लिए भी एक डे हो। करेक्ट। ताकि उनके लिए भी एक तरह से इजी हो जाए हर चीज करने में। और साथ साथ में वी कैन डू व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग वी कैन डू कि इसके अंदर हम स्टाफ अपना बढ़ा दें। मेजरली जो कोर्ट्स हैं वो अपने स्टाफ बढ़ा दें, और अगर स्टाफ के साथ साथ वो एक उन स्टाफ को भी एजुकेट करे कि हाउ दे गेट अ नॉलेज टू हैंडल पीपल आउट देयर, करेक्ट। और उस चीज से क्या होगा, चीजें आगे बढ़ेंगी भी अच्छे से। और जो भी फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं, आपको एक बेसिक लेवल से ही ठीक करना पड़ेगा। इट्स नॉट कि आप फ्रेमवर्क तो बना लिया, बट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन तभी होगा जब आप उन उन स्टाफ की जो एक स्ट्रेंथ है वो बढ़ाओगे, करेक्ट। और लोगों को प्रमोट करोगे। इवन डीएलए से डू दैट। DLSA has their proportional, even you can say, strategy to promote legal aid services to people out there. Even if you see, there are many ads which they have created in their website to tell people that you have your rights and all. Even my own, if I tell you, even my own Tauji has a one leg problem. So he is a teacher in government school, and he is getting that kind of benefits also out of like everything. So these framework are changing. I will not say that these framework are not changing and they are not implementing, but they are changing with time. We are getting it into it, and we are getting more and more efficient for the same, correct. एंड इस चीज को टाइम लगेगा, बट द थिंग इज, इवन आप अगर स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ाओगे स्टाफ का, फ्रेमवर्क तभी बढ़ेगा। वरना फ्रेमवर्क इज अ डॉक्यूमेंट और समथिंग विच इज हैज टू बी इम्प्लीमेंट इन फ्यूचर। लेकिन हम उसको इनिशियल बेस में अगर आगे बढ़ाएंगे तभी कुछ चीज़ें आगे बढ़ेंगे। एंड देयर आर मेनी लॉज, देयर आर मेनी जजमेंट्स, देयर आर मेनी लैंडमार्क जजमेंट्स विच आर being delivered by the Supreme Court and High Court that gives a right to the person with disabilities, I will say PD, then ठीक है। तो they are getting rights out of them। Basically there are presidents also जिसके अंदर उनको एक तरह से एक अलग से अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जा रही है ताकि वो आगे ग्रो करें। एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट द माइंडसेट। आप अगर अपने आप को ऐसा सोचोगे कि यार आई एम लाइक आई वांट दीज राइट्स विद मी, बट राइट्स जरूरी है, या मैं भी नहीं बोलूंगा कि राइट्स जरूरी नहीं है, बट यू हैव टू क्रिएट अ माइंडसेट that I can do anything. There are few lawyers in Delhi High Court also who are basically, there is one of the lawyer uh, who has a panel in Union of India right now. Okay, he got a panel in Union of India. He has a wheelchair with him, and he used to do hearing in wheelchair on wheelchair. There are two or three lawyers, and there is one more lawyer who is blind in Delhi High Court, and he do well and good. I can say that he can do a argument like a senior advocate is doing. Even getting that much amount of basically courage is very incredible in nature, and he is doing very much well. एंड ही लाइक वो उनको एक पर्सन उन्होंने साथ रखा हुआ है जो उनको साथ लेके आता है हर एक कोर्ट के अंदर। एंड ही यूज्ड टू डू, इवन he has that Bailey system in his files. He do argument in a better manner. There are many lawyers in Delhi High Court. You will see there are many lawyers in Supreme Court. So it's all about mindset, how you work. Nothing can be a barrier to you. Nothing, right?
So the first barrier is the barrier in mind that we
Mind, right?
restrict ourselves from. So I want to know, आपने बताया कि ब्रेल्स हैं और accessible features हैं, ramps हैं, interpreters हैं, all those things are in place. But then we also know that there are few things that need work, and that will happen gradually with time. But एक institutional resistance होता है. I mean, of course, sensitivity सबके अंदर है. I don't think there are a lot of people who would ever uh, rebuke you for asking for your rights. मतलब अगर मैं कोर्ट जाऊँ, जैसे मैं internships, I have done 2 internships and I have been to high court and 3-4 district courts, and I've been very regular with that. तो मुझे मैंने देखा मेरी accessible needs है lift. My accessibility doesn't restrict me a lot, disability, but I need basic lift and elevators and all of that to navigate my way through the courts. But sometimes the elevators are very slow, so sometimes I do get late, and there are little issues like that. So, uh, as an individual who wants to go forward and improve these things, where do you think I can be vocal about it? Like, what are the ways I can go ahead and talk about these things? Because ये भी होता है, and it's not just about me. I'm more informed. I can do it, but then there are people. जो लोग डरते हैं, मतलब आई मैंने कम से कम 20-25 लोगों से सुना है कि लॉयर्स से ना दोस्ती अच्छी ना दुश्मनी, which is kind of I don't know, it's funny for me because I don't know, we are some very nice people working out here. I don't think ऐसा सोचना चाहिए, but a lot of people get scared. There's a fear. It's not even about the trust that they lack. It's about the fear that they have. तो हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? और इसके अलावा भी जो ये जो चेंजेस नहीं हो पा रहे हैं और रुक रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है कि एज अ कम्युनिटी, एज somebody who's working for access to justice, where can we make the change and how?
Basically, if you want to know about the procedural change, I can tell you the same also. And if you want a kind of a change which is very in a different manner, I can tell you that thing also. But if you ask about the procedural change, what we can do, we can even make a group out of it, right? There are many groups. If you see, there are groups of senior advocates, there are groups of lady members, there are groups of many other people out there. There's a blind group also, correct? Basically, there are many groups which are going out in this, basically in this legal fraternity. But we can make a group out of it first. Then उनको साथ लेकर we can file a basically a kind of a, you can say, a PIL, correct? Because it is an interest which is carrying forward for you, right? It's a public interest litigation we can file off for these people out there. And it will give a kind of a scenario जिससे क्या होगा, एक particular path से एक particular step by step हम चल सकते हैं. And we can even go to the authorities, we can go to the even high court also, we can go to Supreme Court for the same, and tell them what the system is lagging, what the major scenarios or the major issues we are facing off by these problems, right? So some steps can be taken up by the high court and Supreme Court for the same, and they can order the basically the services, the tenders, people who are getting those tenders, right? Which are like lift tenders and all electronic tenders, and because there are different tenders, right? And even जो आप देखते हो, जो रैम्पेज होता है, जो भी चीजें हैं, उसके लिए भी एक डिफरेंट टेंडर है, करेक्ट? एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल टेंडर मिलता है उन कंपनीज को कि आप ये सब चीजें, क्योंकि सारी कंपनीज तो नहीं करती वो चीज. इफ समवन इज मेकिंग अ बिल्डिंग, राइट, इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो ये चीजें भी लगाता है, वो अलग से लगी जाती है, करेक्ट? सो वी कैन फाइल PIL स्टेटिंग दैट की हाई कोर्ट या सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑर्डर दे इन कंपनीज को कि इनको और एफिशिएंट बनाए व्हाट दे आर मेकिंग ऑफ. ठीक है, ये जो चीजें हैं इनको और एफिशिएंटली बनाया जाए. वी कैन इवन डू अ डिजिटल थिंग ऑल्सो, कि हम एक डिजिटल एक स्पेस बना दे जिसके अंदर जो लोग लैक कर रहे हैं इन चीजों के लिए, जैसे इफ देयर इज समवन हु इज ब्लाइंड, ठीक है, हमने एक साउंड का कुछ ऐसा सिस्टम लगा दे जिससे उनको पता चल रहा है कि हमें किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, करेक्ट? सेकेंडली, इफ देर इज अ नीड ऑफ लिफ्ट, सो जैसे लिफ्ट नहीं तो हमने क्या कर दिया, जैसे आप देखोगे, एग्जाम्पल एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमने आप मेट्रोज में आपने कभी देखा होगा तो उसमें एक मूविंग वो होता है, मूविंग एक्सीलेटर होता है, वो चलने वाला नहीं, मूविंग वाला होता है. सो वी कैन इवन पुट दोज एक्सीलेटर्स और समथिंग लाइक कि हम वो जगहों में लगा सके, करेक्ट? सो फर्स्ट ये तरीका हो गया कि हमने कोर्ट को बोल दिया कि कोर्ट डायरेक्शंस दे पर्टिकुलर अथॉरिटीज को कि वो काम करे. सेकेंडली व्हाट वी कैन डू इन दिस, हम दूसरा ये कर सकते हैं कि वी कैन इवन गिव अ कंप्लेंट, करेक्ट, कंप्लेंट टू बार काउंसिल अबाउट द सेम, राइट? बार काउंसिल को हम कंप्लेंट करें कि यार देखो यार, दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट की बार को हम कंप्लेंट करें कि वी वांट दीज काइंड ऑफ चेंजेस, right? We want these kind of efficiency in this. People are getting late out of these problems in courtrooms, correct? So we can do that also. There are two things: we can complain to basically bar council, or we can file a PIL to High Court or Supreme Court, stating that we want a direction. We are seeking a direction to put these companies in a one go and put these work in a efficient manner, right? सो ये सब दो चीजें कर सकते हैं. दूसरा, अब अगर आप फेयर का सोचो तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप कोई वकील से डरता है, करेक्ट? आजकल नहीं डरते लोग वकील से. it's a major thing, because there are many things people are very, I can say that I will not put a issue in a political manner, but these are the problems which are raising out since last few years. People are not afraid of advocates. Why they are not afraid of advocates? Because one of the political parties give a free hand to people out there. What I tell, right? I will not take the names of the political parties, but this is the main scenario. Why people are not getting out, and the respect, जो हमारी respect पहले थी as a lawyer, अब वो थोड़ा कम हो गई है because of these scenarios. Because people are like यार, एक तो ये भी इशू है कि सब वकील एक जैसे होते हैं, करेक्ट, कि यार एक साथ मिल जाते हैं या फलाना या ढिमकाना। दूसरा ये इशू होता है कि यार वकील जो है उससे क्या डरना, इजिली एसेसिबल है। एडवोकेट समवन हु इज इजिली एसेसिबल। People don't give that much importance like they are giving to a doctor. They knows that we are here to save their lives. What doctor do, we are doing the same. We are, yeah, we are basically, if someone is getting a conviction or someone is getting imprisonment, right, we are here to save him. We are here to save him by the police, from the police, right? And we are doing that much important thing for them. जितना डॉक्टर इतना सेव नहीं करेगा उतना हम सेव कर रहे हैं उसको। सो दिस हैज टू बी चेंज, ठीक है। एंड वो ऐसे चेंज हो सकता है कि हम एडवोकेट राइट्स को थोड़ा अच्छे से रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करें। जो हमारे खुद के एडवोकेट राइट्स हैं उसको रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करके उसके अंदर हम PWD का भी डालें, करेक्ट। उसके अंदर हम और भी चीज़ें पुट करें कि व्हाट आर द लीगल राइट्स विच वी हैव टू गिव to the advocates also, because we have seen a lot of things in last few years, last few months. There are attacks on advocates, right? There are
The
attacks on judges
CGI,
also.
the CGI, yeah,
The CJI last 2 days back, even by a advocate, by a lawyer. But basically it's an ethical change we want. Basically, we want our laws more constructive, more basically more stronger in nature, ताकि हमें एक जो हमारी डिग्निटी है इस प्रोफेशन की वो हमें बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। लेकिन ये थोड़ी थोड़ी लैक कर रही है विद टाइम, और इसके वजह से लोग ज़्यादातर नहीं कर पा रहे। बिकॉज ऑफ देखो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी कि पीपल आर बेसिकली पुटिंग देम इन अ सिनारियो, दे आर पुटिंग दिस प्रोफेशन एज अ जॉब।
yeah.
इट्स
It
नॉट अ
is not
जॉब,
a service. Yeah,
it's not a job, it's not a business. We are here to secure justice,
yeah,
right? There are many advocates there who are putting this as a job or as a business, as a trade. They are doing whatever they can. They
yeah,
are doing bails in a less efficient manner. They are thugging people. There are many advocates who are thugging people out there. There are many.
yeah, yeah,
I,
of course.
I have seen a lot of people out there who are tugging. People came to me that उस एडवोकेट ने हमारे पैसे मांग लिए, या
जी,
उस एडवोकेट ने हमें ऐसे कर दिया। ठीक
जी,
है, सो वी हैव टू गिव इट अ एथिकल, हमें देखो हमें एक एथिकल वे में चलना पड़ेगा इसके साथ, और वी हैव टू चेंज अवर एडवोकेट लॉज। वी हैव टू
yeah.
मेक इट मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर, मोर फिल्टर आउट, कि ऐसे लोग जो है उनको बाहर निकाला जाए इस फील्ड
True.
से।
And I believe, since you talked about ethics, lawyers के rights तो important है ही, as you have already made it clear. Duties भी उतनी ही ज़्यादा important है. And
या
कल मेरी टीचर से मैं बात कर रही थी, मतलब somebody asked a question again कि क्या हम एक जो लीगल एजुकेशन है उसके अंदर हम लीगल एथिक्स पे भी, मतलब लीगल एथिक्स पे फोकस करते हैं, बट एम्पथी भी पढ़ाई जा सकती है क्या? सो आई वाज सो द आंसर दैट शी गेव वाज कि एम्पथी पढ़ाई जा सकती है, दैट हैज टू कम फ्रॉम विद इन। सो आई नो एम्पथी पढ़ाई नहीं जा सकती, बट एम्पथी के मतलब एक कंप्लायंस क्रिएट, ऐसा ऐसा एक फ्रेमवर्क क्रिएट करा जा सकता है, रूल्स कि कंप्लायंस बेटर हो सके। आई नो आप किसी का हार्ट चेंज नहीं कर सकते, देर आर पीपल हु आर इनटू मॉल प्रैक्टिसेस, बट आप ये कर सकते हो कि वो एटलीस्ट रूल्स से तो डरे, बिकॉज देयर कैन बी नो कंप्लायंस विदाउट स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स, एंड द ड्यूटीज हैव टू बी मेड क्लियर, द राइट्स हैव टू बी मेड क्लियर कि lawyers भी secure रहे और lawyers से लोग भी secure रहे and probably then
Yes.
people will be because I know there are some great people working in the profession and they are quite a lot and there are some a few people who probably are not into that great practices and that affects the image of the ones who are working
Yeah, yeah.
and that is very
Hmm.
unfortunate but probably there will be a day when we will be able to
Hmm.
deal with all of this so
Correct.
another question that I would like to put forward is the training of the legal professional and sensitization. So we know that a lot of lawyers are not aware about the disability framework, RPWD Act, Mental Health Care Act, and all these legal frameworks. So, do you believe that the work has to be done in the direction of a better training and sensitization also, apart from creating rules and regulations?
Yeah, we can tell that even for not only for PWs, for every lawyer. Even Mr. Pradeep sir, Pradeep Rai, if you heard about senior advocate, also stated that कि यार we even देखो judges की भी training होती है, correct? हर एक जुडिशियल ऑफिसर की हर 5 महीने में 6 महीने में ट्रेनिंग होती है. आई नो मैनी जजेस बिकॉज दे आर सम फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन, दे आर सम ब्रदर्स ऑल्सो हु आर सर्विंग दिस जुडिशरी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई हैव सीन दैट उनकी ट्रेनिंग होती रहती है टाइम टू टाइम. They are having training after like after 3 months, after 2 months, after a month also. So it is necessary. It is a necessity because we are also basically officer of the court, right?
True.
We are stating the court. We are assisting the court about the same. We are telling the judge. Judge is there to decide. That's it. We are putting the words. Basically, we are putting the words to the judge, right? कि उसको क्या decide करना है. What he has to decide. We are giving that much amount of efforts, that strategies. Correct. So उस चीज को लेकर हमें ये भी होना चाहिए कि जो ट्रेनिंग है उसको बढ़ानी चाहिए एडवोकेट्स के लिए भी. हमें ऐसी एकेडमीज बनानी चाहिए जैसे जुडिशियल एकेडमीज होती है, वैसे एक लॉयर्स की एकेडमी बनानी चाहिए जिसके अंदर लॉयर्स को हम.
The
Yes.
question that we were discussing was whether the training needs to be given to legal professionals. And I think we were done with the answer, or do you want to add up something else?
No, I've done with that. Basically, we have to make a academies for lawyers also. Though I'm with that. Yes.
Fair enough. Sir, next question that I would like to, since you talked about your friend who's been uh, running his business and he's earning in crores, and I mean he's well to do and doing a great job at his career. I would like to ask about technology, particularly since you said that he's using TalkBack and he does everything effortlessly. So I want to know what is your idea of how we have improved technologically. We have e-courts, we have VC,
Yeah.
we have a lot of persons with disability working in the legal field and making use of these technological devices in place. Do you think AI and apps and we see all of these services are improving the experience of persons with disability, both within the legal profession and outside? And do you think that there's a need to improve it any further? Because a lot of people have come up with issues of how, particularly people with blindness, how it is difficult for them to navigate the application, the WebEx. So do you think we need to work more on that? And if yes, how?
Yes, we have to work about like the same. Basically, if I tell you, these facilities are not in every court,
Yeah.
in every city, in every state. We are privileged to have it in Delhi. We know that. We have these facilities in Delhi courts, in Delhi district courts, in different high courts of the state also. But even if you take an example of Mumbai MM courts, Andheri courts, Borivali, Bandra courts, we don't have that much amount of facilities. Even if you see Ghaziabad court, like Ghaziabad, even If you see another quote of like basically, even if you go to Punjab also, correct? We don't have that much amount of facilities. We don't have VC. We don't have. So we have to create a scenario in which we are easily accessible to every court. We are making a system which is easily accessible to every court. Even if you go to any local court in any state, in Gujarat, if you go, in any state, if you go, Delhi is much better built, but in other states there are no facilities. So what do you think that यार उन लोगों के लिए भी तो चाहिए यार, correct? We want that much facility for these people also. So first we have to take them in that stage कि हम एक particular equality में लाए, इन states को भी equal करे, जहाँ पर facilities नहीं है अपने तक लाए, दिल्ली तक लाए उनको, correct? Metropolitan states की तरह हम उनके अंदर भी एक upgradation लाए. Because I have one of my cases in Mumbai which are going, so I have that problem कि मुझे मुंबई तो मैं जा नहीं सकता दिल्ली से हर बारी, correct? It's very difficult for me to travel, right? So अगर VC के तो होता तो I can do a VC. Even if you see in Tihad, there is a VC system in Tihad jails also. Even we, if we don't want a prisoner get out of the jail or take out him to the court or something like, so we are enough eligible to do such kind of VCs through court, through jails, and connect to the court. Correct. Even Lawrence Bishnoi, these kind of criminals doing VC through court, because we know हमको बाहर निकालेंगे तो कुछ पंगा हो सकता है. Correct. So VC helps us to do such kind of things too. बट यही कहने का है मेरा कि अगर आप पहले उन स्टेट्स को इक्वल पैरामीटर्स में लाओ, सारी स्टेट्स में आप VC करो, सारी स्टेट्स में आप फैसिलिटीज लाओ जो आप मेट्रोपॉलिटन स्टेट्स को दे रहे हैं, देन वी कैन थिंक मोर अबाउट कि इन फैसिलिटीज को कैसे हम एनहांस कर सकते हैं. उसके लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि एक इजीली एसेसिबल ऐप बना दें. वेबएक्स इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इवन फॉर मी इट्स डिफिकल्ट. It's not easy to access the WebEx, correct? We have to first create a link, then go to the link, and then join वो सब करके, correct?
Right.
Google has Google Meet, which is easily accessible, but WebEx is little different, correct? So first, court can make a different app for the same. Even Supreme Court has make AI app, correct? Supreme Court has make AI landmark ऐसे करके. तो Supreme Court can make a different app for these kind of VC option. Why we are putting outsourcing to other apps for the same? If we can make a one for people who are lagging to use those apps, or if the app is very complex in nature. करेक्ट, वी कैन मेक सच ऐप्स जो इजीली एसेसिबल हो, इजीली हम एक पॉइंट क्लिक करें एंड वी कैन नो. इवन उनको वॉइस ओवर में भी कर सके हम. We have to create a voice, even if you search anything on Google, right? You have the option of voiceover out there, pronunciation out there. You can use that. Even my friend is also using the same. He has, if he is blind, he knows that I see only 5%. So he has made such changes in the Apple phone. Basically, I can praise Apple that much because I am a kind of a fan. Seeing that कि यार बहुत चेंजेस होते हैं एप्पल के अंदर जो सिंपल फोन में नहीं हो सकते. उसने अलग से अपना एक पूरा स्क्रीन बना रखा है जिसके अंदर एक, आप जैसे होता है ना नेगेटिव करके होता है, नेगेटिव स्क्रीन होती है कि अगर आपको दिख रहा है, उसको पता है कि नेगेटिव दिख रहा है, दैट ही कैन सी. कलर प्रॉब्लम है तो वो कलर उसको दिखा रहा है वो चीज
True.
फोन. उसने टच करेगा तो वो ही इज यूजिंग दैट वॉइस ओवर थिंग. ही इज लाइक
True.
दैट इट्स अ फोन, ही इज यूजिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो. दैट फोन उसको बता रहा है कि क्या वो यूज कर रहा है, करेक्ट? ही डोंट हैव दैट डिसेबिलिटी कि वो उसको नहीं पता चला कि उसको डिसेबिलिटी है. ही इज यूजिंग द सेम thing.
Right.
There's a Google Assistant, there's a Siri, right? So he can use such kind of things. So we have to make such things in the app. We have to make a AI system which we can say, we can even talk to that AI about the same, and we can make it more accessible in nature.
That's true, sir. I have a couple of friends with disabilities, quite are some close to me. Some of them are quite close to me. I have a friend who's deaf. So we earlier we used to when we used were supposed to. So I cannot talk to her over calls. The only way we can have a chat is through video calls because uh, that's that's very obvious, yeah. So earlier we used to get on the Google Meet, uh, download the transcriber app, and then I used to say things, and she used to catch them because captions are not that accurate most
Hmm.
times. So
Hmm.
that was a barrier within. Uh, so because I don't know sign language, I've started learning, so it's very new. And there were a lot of discussions that we used to have. So we had to get on the Google Meet. But abhi, there's a new update in Apple. They have transcribes for FaceTime. So
Correct.
it has become easier for us to have a
Hmm.
communication. So I just whenever I want to, I just switch on. I go to FaceTime and just call her up. Earlier, we used to
Hmm.
schedule a time that now we'll get on Google Meet and we'll discuss all of this on Google Meet. So I think technology can play a greater
But
role in bringing everyone together. Yeah,
But why these other companies are not using that kind
that
of technology? I am very amazed of the same. Why not Google? Why not Samsung is using the same? Why not Google is using the same in their phones? Why not any other company is using the same? Why Apple is using this? Because it's all about the change in the countries, right? If you see the US is very much advanced in these things. They are doing a lot of things for the people who are blind, for the people who are basically have that much a problem in assessing such things. So they are doing a lot of things for them. But we have to create a system which can make a scenario in which we are accessible to do everything. There will be no barriers. There was a quote of some of my one of my basically mentor, you can say. He's a civil judge in Delhi. So he told me that a person creates restriction by his own will. Correct. If he want to create a restriction, he will create it. He will make a barrier. He will make an image that there is a restriction. But if he is knowing that there is no restriction, there is no barrier, he can do anything. He or she can do anything. If he knows that रिस्ट्रिक्शन है ही नहीं, बैरियर ही नहीं है, सो आप अगर चाहो तो खुद से कुछ भी बिल्ड कर सकते हो, कुछ भी बना सकते हो. इट्स ऑन यू, इट्स ऑन 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 विल कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो. करेक्ट.
yeah, and
और
they say
उसी चीज से आपको एसेसिबल बनाती है इसलिए.
true, and then they always say where there's will, there's a way. So the
या.
will has to be there for sure. So as according to you, we have to bring all the states and all the areas of the country on equal footing, and then we can focus on uniformity of the digital
Yes.
and services.
Correct.
That's a great idea. So, any practical measures that you would like to suggest to make the legal aid services and institutions more accessible? And do you think that particularly in the legal aid institutions, DLSA, SLSA, and any LSA, there are any issues that need solution?
There are many issues if I point out, but there are some major issues which I want to point. Basically, there's a manner that there are less advocates who are enrolled as a legal aid councils, LACs. They are less in number, though. The clients are in a huge amount, correct? And basically, even they are not doing a filter out thing. Even some matter which is very, I don't want to use such words, but if a matter is very not in a good, if a matter is vast in nature, right? You would know that
Mm,
nothing can happen in this matter. If you
yeah,
are putting that matter in a scenario ki high court mein jao, then you are
mm,
putting it in a supreme court, you know that the person is wrong.
yeah,
If the person is not getting, if that person is wrong, XYZ, correct, even still the DLS is taking that matter.
mm,
They are putting their minds, they are putting their advocates in that matter. They're wasting the time of the court, they're wasting the time of the LACs. So first we have to filter out which matter is necessary in nature, which matter can go further, correct? Which matter can be, which can succeed further, right? I've seen a lot of matters which are have no, even कोई सर पैर नहीं है उनका मैटर्स का, और वो मैटर्स चल रहे हैं, करेक्ट? दे आर गेटिंग इनटू रेगुलर, रेगुलर में जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज जजेस ऑल्सो नो कि यार मैटर में कुछ है ही नहीं, वो रेगुलर में डाल देते हैं उनको, रेगुलर मैटर्स में डाल देते हैं, 600 नंबर मैटर का, 300 नंबर आ रहा है मैटर का. सो इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. We are taking out many cases. That's why these cases are pending in nature, because they don't have any sarpar, they don't have anything in them. Correct. So we have to filter out which matter is necessary. Second, we have to make more vacancies, more LECs in strength. And third and the most, कि हम vacancies तो निकाल रहे हैं, but we are not giving them a proper training. There is no training for LACs. There is no training.
There
They are
is no
training for judges. No, there is no training. There is a training for judges. They are training for members.
training.
Correct. The judges who become secretaries, उनकी उनकी ट्रेनिंग होती है, बट एलएसीज की कोई ट्रेनिंग नहीं होती.
Which is surprising because there are about 12 categories
Hmm.
in yeah, and all of them are vulnerable, and there is certain amount of sensitivity required, and the
Correct.
electors are the people who interact with these people
Hmm.
more than judges, so there is a basic empathy and sensitivity that needs to be there in their daily way of handling the proceedings and the issues. And it's surprising that they are not given even the basic
Hmm.
training, because at least जो disability के matters ले रहा है, and I understand somebody told me earlier मेरा था कि everybody should know disability law through and through, all lawyers. But then they told me that there are so many frameworks in the country that it's not practically possible for you to know everything. And even if you have surface knowledge, too, that is not enough. In that situation, you need particular experts taking up the matters related to disability. Because आप जब किसी भी पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी के साथ डील करते हो, अगेन मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बहुत बिगिनर्स वाली है, तो मैं उसके तरीके से बताऊंगी. Since I belong to the community, I believe that I can talk about it. So you need to connect the main laws with the disability law
Correct.
to ensure that
We have to
there,
make it uniform in nature.
yeah.
Correct. We,
So
we have to. हाँ.
yeah, so we need a particular people expert in that particular law, ताकि जो भी कोई मैट्रिमोनियल मैटर्स ले रहा है, क्रिमिनल मैटर्स ले रहा है, उनको डिसेबिलिटी लॉ की गाइडेंस या फिर कंसल्टेशन एक आप अपने फेलो लॉयर्स कलीग्स के साथ एक कर सकते हो टू नो अबाउट ए पर्टिकुलर लॉ, राइट? ताकि आप एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन ले लो, आप एविडेंस में लेते हो, हर जगह लेते हो, तो डिसेबिलिटी लॉ में भी ली जा सकती है ना.
Even I will praise Justice Chandrachud.
या
They have given a lot of judgments on PWD, then
या
on the rights of disabled person. There are many judgments. There are Vikas judgment. Then there are a lot of judgments which are landmark in nature, which
या
have
राइट.
created an impact for the same. Correct. So we need a change thoroughly in nature that will even help us.
ट्रू.
As you know, that frameworks are working out, but nothing is implemented. As you told me in the beginning only, कि कुछ implement नहीं हुआ. Correct. There is nothing implementation. There are small things which are changing, but we want a big change.
या
But these changes are not individual. People are getting individually, they are going to court for their right, but they are not taking whole of the community for the same. They are talking about their own right. Then basically, if a person who is blind, right, he is going to court, he is going to high court or supreme court for his legal right. He's saying that I am blind, I want that job, I'm not, I was terminated, I want that job back. Correct. But it's not all about that person. There are a lot of person who are getting terminated. Correct. Even the person is blind, he's getting terminated. There are a lot of people who are blind who are getting terminated. So we have to represent all of them,
या
each of them. We don't have to go individually. Right. There are landmark judgments. There are a judgment against UPSC also. last in 2024-23. Right? There was
mm,
judgment against UPSC. There was a
mm,
person who was, I think so, having some disability, and he
mm,
has filed a judgment against UPSC about the exams and all.
mm.
So that thing we have to create.
True.
That's why I told you that let's make a group.
Yeah.
We have some educators out there who will educate us, who will educate the LACs who are working in the same field work, and we also want to create some impact जो thoroughly change हो, and it will take very less time if we take it in a better manner. तो कम टाइम ही लगेगा, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा.
Mm.
Correct. It's all about the mentality, what the person wants to do. करेक्ट. तो उसकी मेंटेलिटी को चेंज करने के लिए हमें इन लोगों की स्ट्रेंथ ही बढ़ानी पड़ेगी जो उस चीज में हेल्प करेगा उनका. There are
True.
many people who are disabled in nature, but they are lagging behind. There are many, they say, like my friend Rishabh. He knows that he is disabled. He has that knowledge.
Mm.
Still, he is working out with things. Still, he is doing very good. He's doing much better than me. Correct. I am not disabled, but he's doing much better than me. I am not blind, but he's doing much better than me. तो उन लोगों को सही पाथ दिखाना, सही गाइडेंस देना, ठीक है, एक एक तरह से साइकोलॉजिकल उनका जो माइंड सेट है उसको समझना, देन
Mm.
उसको अलग तरीके से इम्पैक्ट लेके आना. दैट चेंज वी वांट. इट्स
Yeah.
नॉट ऑल अबाउट कि हम फ्रेमवर्क चेंज कर दे तो हाँ इन लोगों के लिए कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा, या पीपल हु आर फेसिंग सच प्रॉब्लम्स तो वी विल क्रिएट अ बेटर फैसिलिटी फॉर देम. इट्स ऑल अबाउट टू चेंज देयर माइंड सेट. क्योंकि इंसान को आप कुछ भी दे दो, जब तक उसका माइंड सेट चेंज नहीं होगा वो वैसा ही रहेगा. It's
Yeah.
all about such thing, right? So first we have to create a scenario. First we have to guide them. We have to create a knowledge for LACs also, for the people who are coming there to get the knowledge, right? They first we have to tell them the rights. हमें अलग से एक रूम बनाना चाहिए हर एक कोर्ट के
जी
अंदर. करेक्ट. वी
जी
हैव टू क्रिएट अ डिफरेंट रूम फॉर देम.
जी
ठीक है, जिसमें हमने अलग से अलग अलग इक्विपमेंट्स लगा रखे हैं जिनके लिए, जिनको वो यूज कर सके. करेक्ट. उनको पता हो कि हाँ यार, ये जैसे हमें कोई पर्टिकुलरली कोई पर्सन आता है हु इज डेफ, एज यू टोल्ड योर फ्रेंड इज डेफ, राइट.
Yeah.
अगर कोई आता है तो हमने एक स्पेशल एजुकेटर बिठा दिया साथ में जो उसको जिसको साइन लैंग्वेज पता है,
True.
या एक लॉयर बता दिया. जैसे देर इज वन स्टाफ मेंबर इन दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट, ही इज ऑल्सो डेफ. सो
Okay.
वन ऑफ माई नोन हु नोज द साइन लैंग्वेज, ही यूज्ड टू टॉक टू हिम.
Okay.
Still, he is deaf, but talking to him. There is one more person. I know many. I have met many
जी
people. I have a friendship with them. And there is one more person in Tizari courts. He used to do, if I tell you, जैसे सर्टिफाइड कॉपीज होती हैं तो उसको
जी
साइन करके देते हैं.
जी
सो ही हैड दैट प्रॉब्लम. मुझे उस प्रॉब्लम का पर्टिकुलर उस इशू का नेम नहीं पता,
जी
बट बेसिकली ही कैन डू things in a better manner. He's
ओके
disabled. He's a
ओके
handicap in nature.
ओके
By
ओके
that मतलब कुछ ऐसे जैसे he's weak in mindset
ओके
and all. मतलब
ओके
you can say it's a uh,
न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसेबिलिटी
हाँ
समथिंग along
हाँ,
those.
that type of disability where
Okay.
their hands are not working in a better manner,
Okay.
legs are not working. I don't know the, sorry, I don't know the
Yeah, I
major
might guess,
disability, but
but yeah,
yeah.
I
So
think that
he's doing the work. He has that supervision. He has that mindset that I want to do work.
yeah,
There are many people who are working in staff who are blind in courts also. There are many. Correct.
yeah,
So it's all about the mindset. It's all about the major thinking, what you want to do, how to do, and what to do. It's on you. Correct. How you have to achieve the goal, how to make your path for the same. Rights are there, frameworks are there. You have to do that much amount कि आप करो. देखो मेरे लिए भी लॉस सेम है, आपके लिए भी लॉस सेम है, मेरे भी राइट सेम है, आपके लिए भी राइट सेम है. बट
yeah,
इट्स ऑल अबाउट द मेंटेलिटी कि मुझे कैसे करना है, मुझे कैसे
true.
समझना है. देयर आर मेनी लॉयर्स हु आर blind. There are many lawyers who are have that disability. There are many lawyers. We can create such things, but it's on them कि उनको कैसे काम करना है. There are senior advocates
Yeah,
who are working. There are many. सो इन चीजों को लेकर हमें पहले गाइड करना है. ये माइंडसेट मुझे पता है खुद नहीं आता. एज यू
yeah,
सेड दी एम्पैथी भी खुद नहीं आती. लेकिन इफ वी गिव देम द नॉलेज, इफ वी ऐड सच subjects, if we add such chapters, different books in schools also, to read with to have a accessible things for everyone, even if a person is not disabled, he's reading that chapter that our disability rights are important. Correct. Why we are learning such rights in colleges? It's a big scenario, it's a big point to point out. We have to make such subjects in schools. We are making about that we have to create a knowledge of adult that adolescents and all. Why we are not creating knowledge of people who knowledge that you have to respect such kind of scenarios, you have to make such frameworks. Correct. People are not doing that. It's a dark thing in our, it's a thing which is very backward in nature in our society. बट वी हैव टू क्रिएट सच थिंग कि ये भी हम नॉलेज लाए लोगों के ऊपर कि भैया the person can do anything if we want to.
Yes,
Correct. Yeah.
true.
So that much amount of knowledge we have to create in schools, even in colleges. We have to create a different room for people out there. Even I think so. My school is also having a room. I have studied from बाल भारती पब्लिक स्कूल. So उसमें भी शायद ऐसा था disability के लिए. They have created a ramp.
Okay.
In my school, there's a ramp also. There are many things in my school. There is a that ब्लाइंड के लिए नीचे लगा नहीं होता, नीचे पट्टी होती है, जैसे मेट्रोज में लगा होता है.
Tactile
They have
parts.
created such things also in my school.
Yeah,
So they are working out. The government has to work for the same. The
true.
union, the state for the same. Correct.
True.
So we have to do such things.
That's a great insight you've given me. I think from all that you've said, I can uh, maybe draw a conclusion that apart from the structural and institutional changes, we also have to work on changing the psychology, the attitude, the minds, the
Correct.
basic learning, the education from the very grassroots, from the very basic primary or nursery school to the higher education. And at all places, not just within the legal profession, but also outside, and not just within the community, but also outside the community, because inclusion depends upon both the sides. The person
Correct.
with disability will also have to take a step and include themselves, and the people who are not disabled, able bodied people, will also have to take a step towards the community. And then probably we can reach to a point where we can balance the rights and duties and our identities together. So thank you so much, sir. Anything you would like to add at the end?
And we also want to create a think tank for the same.
Oh, that's
If we
nice.
create a think tank for the same, there are many think tanks who are working for the government also, for and in different levels also. They are providing information, they are providing new innovative ideas to the bureaucrats, to the officers, to the administration, to the ayogs, that they can change in scenario and they can put some rights forward for the same. They are like basically SPMRF, if you know. There's a group of SPMRF who are working for the same. They are think tank. They are talking about new issues. They are pointing out new issues and telling the government to do a different perspective for the same and give a change. So we can make a different group in which not only disabled person, but the people who are dealing with in the legal fraternity, like LACs, correct, like lawyers who want to work for, correct, persons who are disabled in nature, persons who faced such things, even they are not disabled, right? There are many things, and
Yeah,
even it's not all about the disability, it's all about the, if a person faced a kind of a backlash or something, like a kind of scenario, correct, in their school life or something, or bullying or something, that they can also be a part of it, and they can make a change in the movement for this, right? And उसके लिए फिर हमें ही काम करना पड़ेगा. The
जी,
youngsters have to work for it. Basically it's a change in society, what we want. And अब जो आगे कर रहे हैं वो तो कर रहे हैं, it's fine, but what change we want, we have to create it.
जी.
Correct, we have to go for it. It's like that. So I think, moreover, जितना मुझे पता था, because I am not much basically have that one knowledge for the same, but I tried my best to tell you what I know. And in last, I can say that it's all about the caliber, what you have inside in you. Correct.
Mm,
And every person has the caliber. So no one has like it's a myth that तेरे अंदर caliber नहीं है मेरे अंदर caliber नहीं. It's not कि सबके अंदर caliber होता है. You just have to बेसिकली उसको निराशना है आपको. करेक्ट. आपको
mm,
उसको कैलिबर को ठीक करना पड़ेगा, तभी आप आगे जाके उसको यूज कर सकते हो कैलिबर.
mm.
करेक्ट. यू कैन मेक इट मोर एंड मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर इन फ्यूचर इफ यू नो द कैलिबर what you have, which you have inside you. Correct.
That's absolutely correct, sir. We have to find the light within us and then see where we can make the change and how we can make life better for ourselves and people around us. That
Mm.
being said, sir, I would also like to contribute whenever and wherever I can in your initiatives because
Sure.
I'm
Most
a student.
welcome.
I'm trying to find my way through all of it. Not that aware, but whatever awareness I have, whatever knowledge I have, I'd like to use it in the right direction. And maybe you can support me and guide me through this.
Sure.
And
Anytime, anytime. You even
yes,
don't need my guidance. You have a lot of things. You have a lot of caliber what I think of. And you can do anything in life. Basically, it's all about if you are standing out. Correct. आप अलग से खड़े हो रहे हो लोगों के साथ, अलग से आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो, इट्स ऑन यू. ठीक है.
yes,
एवरीथिंग इज सेम. यू हैव टू बिकम एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी.
yes,
Right, for the same. It's on you how you can become extraordinary. सब कुछ काम कर रहे हैं. Everyone is doing the same matters. Everyone doing matrimonial matter. Everyone doing such kind of matters. You have to create your own self in a stage where no one else is there.
yes,
तभी आप अलग से दिखोगे सबको. You have to be in limelight.
yes,
Correct.
sir.
And now you know the mantra, what you have to do in future, and what is the major scenario, what you have to change in your mind for the same.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir. I'll just ask uh, uh, Jay to end the recording.